Another emergency call the day before Christmas because of this guy, man. Man, I gotta fix this now again. Okay, fix the adjustments so we don't have that clicking on the top. Okay. Alright, please make sure nobody messes with this thing. Keep messing with it, and it messes up the clicking pattern. So on the closing, alright. That's it. Okay, here's another cycle. Alright. Adjustments corrected. Closes. On the bottom. You see it slow down. And do a final close the gap. Alright, please make sure nobody touches this. Thank you.